What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Metaplanet with the ticker symbol 3350 and MTPLF. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Metaplanet continues to trade sideways. Nothing much happening for the past week or two. So we're stuck in this little trading range between the 1500 and 1600 level. Looks like you could say, it's not really a trend anymore. It's not really trend lines converging. We're kind of trading outside the trend lines. So it's more just sideways trading. Price is correcting lower. There is this still bearish measure move target in play. One leg down right here. Second leg down. Bears could be still attempting to drop down the price towards the 990 sub 1,000 yen level. And, someone left in the comments, well, if Bitcoin's breaking out higher, how can Metaplanet drop down lower? Well, obviously, it's not going to trade one for one. And you can clearly see for the past couple of weeks, Metaplanet hasn't gone up at all. So it's not going to trade one for one. It's a cycle, right? So if Bitcoin is, this was basically front running Bitcoin's breakout, letting you know that Bitcoin most likely will break out higher. And now since Bitcoin is breaking out, this one is correcting. It's in a correcting phase. And then when Bitcoin is ready to correct, this one might be ready to move up higher. So it's just a cycle, kind of like inverse cycle. If you have like a sine wave or whatever, this might be, doing something like this, kind of the complete opposite, the inverse. That's what it looks like it's doing right now. So it's still correcting. It hasn't broken out higher. It could break the wave pattern and, move up higher. But I'm saying that it's not going to trade one for one. And since Bitcoin is moving up higher, this is not guaranteed to move up higher either. That's how you get trapped. That's how the market works. There's traders who want to go short. There's traders who are shorting the stock, and there's traders who are buying the stock. And which way the price moves is going to be the winner. It's going to stop out the longs or it's going to stop out the shorts. There's a bunch of longs who are piled up with the stop losses here and over here. There's a bunch of shorts with the stop losses piled up here and over here. So there's a bunch of orders all over this price action, and they're waiting for the market to make a decision. Some traders are obviously not in this. They rather just wait for a decision to be made instead of being, early and possibly, risking a lot more, risking a whole lot. So again, the market's not guaranteed to go up. It's not guaranteed to go down just because Bitcoin is going up. So see what happens. It's consolidating. I'd say bearish targets are still in play as long as we're still below 1681. If it's not, then most likely we'll probably just retest the high. We can always get a double top, but most likely we'll just break out higher. So overall, just wait and see. We can still go down lower. It's just hard to say when we'll do that. We're just consolidating sideways. Let's take a look at MTPLF and finish off the video with 3350 on the weekly chart. So this one is looking a little bit more bearish. You see, this one is still below the downward sloping trend line, but it's not really above the bullish sloping trend line. There's this bullish trend line here, but it's at lower prices. So this one looks like it's coming back to test that support zone of about $10.26, and looks like it's trying to break it. So I think this one is showing that Metaplanet may drop down lower. Let's go back to 3350. And if we look on the weekly chart, you can see that it just got really overextended on the log scale. It's just really overextended, ready to pull back or at least consolidate further, let that EMA catch up. So I'd say expect higher prices regardless long term, but short term, it's just overextended. It's at the top side of its cycle and it's ready to move down or sideways. We have an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Next thing is a correction, either sideways or down. So I'd say it's still bullish. They did buy more Bitcoin. You see they own 16,352. They hold it. They're number 5. Most likely will take out number 4 in probably like less than a month. I would say they'll surpass Riot Platforms to be in the top 4. They added 797 last week and released it this week that they have 16,352. Metaplanet probably going to be the second ranked company in the future. That's all I have for MTPLF on the daily and weekly charts. MTPLF on daily chart, 3350 on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.